Hello friends, today we are going to discuss another important topic. What's next? We have already shared with you a video on what's next after class 10. Now we are going to discuss about what to do next after class 12 and how many options are there after class 12. We get confused after completing our 12th board exam. What's now? What to do next? Which career option we should choose? Our families get concerned too. Sometimes we take wrong decisions under parental pressure or we just give importance to others' opinions. As a result, we have to pay for that later. But there are so many career options after class 12. What we need to do is choosing the right one. Just choose according to your abilities and your interest and passion. In this video, we will be discussing about all the career options after class 12. Keep watching this video till the end. After studying arts, commerce or science, the first option that comes to our mind is graduation. But we get confused about what to choose. Let's see what we can choose after 12 arts. You can do BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, BMS, Bachelor of Management Science, BFA, Bachelor of Fine Arts, BEM, Bachelor of Event Management, Integrated Law courses, that is BA plus LLB, BJMC, Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication, BFD, Bachelor of Fashion Designing, BSW, Bachelor of Social Work, BBS, Bachelor of Business Studies, BTTM, Bachelor of Travel and Tourism Management, Aviation courses, BSc Interior Design, BSc Hospitality and Hotel Management or Administration, Bachelor of Design, Bachelor of Performing Arts, or you can take any subject as your graduation. So many options. You can choose higher studies after these courses or you can apply for jobs. Now comes science. After 12 science you can do BE or BTech, Bachelor of Technology, B Art, Bachelor of Architecture, BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications, BSc Information Technology, BSc Nursing, B Pharma, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Interior Designing, BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, Animation, Graphics and Multimedia, BSc Nutrition and Dietetics, BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, BSc Applied Geology, BA or BSc Liberal Arts, BSc Physics, BSc Chemistry, BSc Mathematics, that is normal honors graduation. Let's move on to commerce. After 12 commerce you can do BCom, Bachelor of Commerce, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, BCom Honors, BA Honors in Economics, Integrated Law Program, BCom LLB, Integrated Law Program, BBA LLB. There are some professional courses after 12 commerce. CA, Chartered Accountancy, CS, Company Secretary, Bachelor of Design in Accessory Design, Fashion Design, Ceramic Design, Leather Design, Graphic Design, Industrial Design, Jewelry Design, Bachelor in Foreign Languages, Diploma courses, Advanced Diploma courses, Certificate courses, etc. Our next career option is degree courses. If you want to do Bachelor of Arts, you can take BA HEP, BA HTP, BA Linguistics, BA Economics, BA Psychology, BA Fine Arts, BA in Political Science, BA in Sociology, BA in Library Science, etc. In BSc, you can take BSc MPC, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, BSc MEC, that is Maths, Electronics, Computer Sciences, BSc in Applied Mathematics, BSc BZC or CBZ Biology, Chemistry, Geology, BSc CPZ Chemistry, Physics, Geology, BSc CPS Chemistry, Physics, Statistics, BSc CBZ Chemistry, Botany, Zoology, BSc CMS Chemistry, Maths, Statistics, BSc CPB Chemistry, Physics, Botany, BSc MICB Microbiology, Chemistry, Botany, BSc MICZ Microbiology, Chemistry, Zoology, BSc MIBZ Microbiology, Botany, Zoology, and BSc in Horticulture, BSc Computer Science, BSc Home Science, BSc Biochemistry, BSc in Microbiology, BSc in Biotechnology, BSc in Anthropology, BSc in Dairy Science, etc. Now in BCom, you can do BCom regular courses, BCom Computer, BCom Bank Management, BCom Tax Procedure and Practice. Or you can do other degrees like LLB, BBA Bachelor in Business Administration, BCA Bachelor in Computer Application, BBM Bachelor in Business Management, BAF Bachelor in Accountants and Finance, BFM Bachelor in Finance Management, BMS Bachelor in Management Studies. You can do 4-year dual degree courses also like BA plus BEd, BSc and BEd, BA plus LLB, BCom and LLB, BBM plus LLB, BBA and LLB, etc. There are some professional courses like ICWA, that is Cost and Work Accountants of India, CS Company Secretary, CA Chartered Accountancy, CPT Common Proficiency Test for Chartered Accountants courses, ATC Accounting Technician course, IPCC Integrated Professional Competence course, ITT Information Technology Training, 100 hours course which includes articleship or working under a CA, and after clearing final exam you can be a chartered accountant. These are some really helpful degree courses. Let's move on to the next, that is medical courses. You can choose MBBS Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery Allopathy, BUMS Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery, a 5.5 years undergraduate course. Unani medicine is a system of alternative medicine in ancient Greece but is now practiced primarily in India. BHMS Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, BAMS Bachelor of Ayurveda Medicine and Surgery, BNYS Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences, BDS Bachelor of Dental Surgery, BVSC Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences, B Pharma Bachelor of Pharmacy. So many courses you choose according to your merit and interests. Next is paramedical degree courses. There are many opportunities after these degree courses. You can get a job in a government or private hospital after completing these courses. You can do BSc Operation Theatre Technology, BSc Critical Care Technology, BSc Physician Assistantship, Bachelor in Hospital Administration, Bachelor in Medical Laboratory Technician, Bachelor of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, Bachelor of Occupational Therapy, Bachelor of Orthotic Therapy, Bachelor of Physical Therapy, Bachelor of Prosthesis or Orthotics. You can do paramedical diploma courses also. Duration of these courses are of 2 years and you need to do a compulsory post-examination training for 6 months. The diploma courses are Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, Diploma in Radiography, that is DRD, Diploma in Physiotherapy DPT, Diploma in Radiotherapeutic Technology, Diploma in Optometry with Ophthalmic Technique, Diploma in Physiology, Diploma in Perfusion Technology, Diploma in Cath Lab Technician, Diploma in Dialysis Technique, Diploma in Critical Care Technology, Diploma in Operation Theatre Technology, Diploma in Diabetes Care Technology, diploma in electrocardiographic technique. You can get a job after completing these diploma courses, or you can choose higher education also. Our next career option is nursing. Degree courses in nursing are BSc Nursing for 4 years, BSc Honors Nursing for 2 years, Post Basic BSc Nursing for 2 years, Bachelor of Science in Nursing Post Certificate course for 2 years. Certificate and diploma courses in nursing are ANM Auxiliary Nursing and Midwifery, GNM General Nursing and Midwifery, Advanced Diploma in Ophthalmic Care Management, Diploma in Home Nursing, Diploma in Emergency and Trauma Care Technician, Diploma in Nursing Administration, Diploma in Neuro Nursing, Diploma in Health Assistant, Certificate course in Ayurvedic Nursing, Certificate in Home Nursing, Certificate in Maternal and Child Health Care, Certificate in Care Waste Management, Certificate in Primary Nursing Management. Duration of these courses varies from 6 months to 3 or 3.5 years. Many government and private hospitals are recruiting huge number of candidates every year. So you can choose nursing as a career option if you are interested in it. Next career option is engineering. You can do BE or BTech in computer science engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, civil engineering, chemical engineering, information technology, instrumentation and control engineering, electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, petroleum engineering, aeronautical engineering, aerospace engineering, automobile engineering, mining engineering, power engineering, production engineering, biotechnology engineering, genetic engineering, plastics engineering, food processing and technology, agricultural engineering, environmental engineering, dairy technology and engineering, agricultural information technology, infrastructure engineering, motorsports engineering, metallurgy engineering, textile engineering, marine engineering, naval architecture, geoinformatics, petrochemical engineering, polymer engineering, geotechnical engineering. Many options are there. After completing these courses, you can choose post-graduation, MTech, or you can prepare for GATE, or you can prepare for government or private jobs. Now let's discuss about teaching courses after 12. You can do NTT, Diploma in Nursery Teacher Training, 1-year diploma course, BLEd, Bachelor of Elementary Education, 4-year degree course, DLEd, Diploma in Elementary Education, 2 years diploma course, or you can do BPEd, Bachelor of Physical Education, DPE, Diploma in Primary Education. But you can do B.Ed or Bachelor of Education only after completing your graduation. These teaching courses will allow you to make a career as a teacher. There are some useful other courses you can do, like foreign languages, fire safety, journalism, home science tourism, hotel management, rural development, designing courses like fashion designing, interior designing, jewelry designing, in filmmaking, direction, screenwriting, cinematography, sound designing, editing, action. Or you can choose management courses like finance management, event management, hotel management, etc. You can choose a suitable course for you from these options. Now let's discuss about job related courses. In this age of competition, we should prepare ourselves as early as possible. There are some job posts in which you can apply just after 12th, like You can prepare for SSC Combined Higher Secondary Level, that is CHSL, for Upper Division Clerk, Lower Division Clerk, Postal Assistant, Data Entry Operator, Sorting Assistant, SSC Multitasking Staff MTS, SSC General Duty Constable, SSC GD exam, SSC Grade C and Grade D Stenographer after completing stenography course, RRB Assistant Loco Pilot, Railway Group D, Indian Army exam for the post of Technical Entry Scheme, Mahila Constables, Soldiers, Junior Commission Officers for Catering, Indian Navy exam for the post of Sailor, Artificer Apprentice and Senior Secondary Recruits. Security forces like Border Security Force, Central Reserve Police Force, Sahasra Sima Bal, Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, Central Industrial Security Force, Indian Coast Guard exam for the post of sailors, technicians, assistant commandants and airmen, or All India Entrance Exam NDA for Armed Forces. So you should prepare right after your 12th board exam if you want a job sooner. There are some professional courses you can do. Besides computer courses, there are so many other courses too, like photography, animation, music, painting, interior designing, writer, journalism, ethical hacking, hotel management, physical education, fire safety, library science, paranormal science, foreign languages, web designing, modeling, philosophy, tourism, criminology, air hostess. You can choose your career option according to your interest, your abilities and passion. Discuss with others, with your parents and elders. But if you give importance to your passion, you will surely be successful in your life. All the best. So if you like this video, give some love to us by liking this video. Comment if you have any questions regarding this and share this video with your friends. And please subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.